Hey everybody, Dad out here. Got my first little project I'm going to do on the 2015. This side marker bulb needs to be replaced, but I don't really care for the way the whole orange looks. I don't even care for the chrome cap. I'm going to see eventually if I can replace that, but for now I just want to take care of that. And I got a pair of these smoked LEDs to put in there. See, I've got an LED board inside there, so these are supposed to fill this up with LEDs. Just gonna need a screwdriver. We'll go ahead and get these replaced. So all we'll need is a screwdriver just to disconnect the back of the this little guy here. Disconnect it. So what I want to do is move this all the way to the side, and I'll go ahead and do this on the other side as well. Move them all the way in so I can get to those corners, and you'll see a little white tab right there, right back there. A little white tab is what we're gonna pop these out with. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. This will be cute. Let's pop the other side out. Pretty straightforward. We're just going to disconnect these bulbs and we'll hook up our new ones. I'm going to go ahead and put a little dielectric grease on there, make sure that I keep a nice sealed contact, and I also want to make sure I put the left side on the left side and the right side on the right side. And see the DOT SAE, feeling pretty good that this is probably this side. Nope, sure enough ain't. Yeah, so I'm feeling pretty good that this be the one for this side. First try. I'm gonna get my dielectric grease, pop these out, put them in. Think it's about to rain. Let me hurry along. See, I've got the LED running lamp and I've got the actual turn lamp. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be the top or the bottom, which one's which, but I reckon we'll find out. Alright, we'll pop her in. Might have to obviously put the camera down for a moment. In fact, actually, yay! Running board. I want to make sure that these work. I'm going to assume the bottom goes to the bottom, top goes to the top. I'm not honestly 100% sure. Go hit the light, see what happens. It looks like the bottom one should be lit up. Oh, they're both lit up. Alright, what about left turn signal? Well, it's not blinking. Alright, so one of these maybe in backwards. Yep, thank you, radio. So this is not actually blinking. As you can see, I don't seem to have a left turn signal. What kind of good is that? It's supposed to be blinking. See, if I hit my left turn signal, yeah, top should be blinking. In fact, let me hit my hazards. Yeah, that's pretty lame. It's supposed to be the DRL running lamp. The indicator, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Let me go put the other side in and see if it does anything. I'm not expecting it to, but we'll see. This is why we test things. It's disappointing, you know. You throw $60 on what should be a decent pair of these, and they don't even work. Bulbs are a little warm. Turn headlights back on. So they're lit up again. Sadly, I can't even use these to put regular bulbs back into. I like the smoke look. I think it's going to look a lot nicer. Let me try reversing these. Put the bottom on the top and the top on the bottom. Ooh. Now we're blinking. Maybe that's part of our issue. Oh, check that out. Now we're blinking. Sequential. Okay, so the top goes on the bottom, bottom goes on the top, huh? Because of course it makes sense that that would be the way it goes. I'm going to take the wiring here and I'm going to roll it up in there because this does seem like a very tight fit. And that would explain why the housing socket, or the housing still allows you to hook the socket back up. Alright, so it's a white daytime running light with an amber turn. I'm not going to lie, I'm digging the sequential though because I'm getting sequential turn signals up front. I just had to get you back in there. Why are you like not wanting to go back in? What's the secret I'm missing? Clearly I'm missing a secret. Do I maybe have these on the wrong side? Are they labeled? I don't see a label on them. Comparing the bodies here. Alright, So this would go in just like so. It looks the same to me. We just got to be difficult about this, don't we? It really seems like you should be around this top part. Like that. Come on, get your stuff back in there. Let's try having both of you standing kind of more straight up and down. Hopefully you guys can see what I did there. Is I made these stand a little bit more straight in the hopes that this will fit in nicer. So what is the trick to getting you back in? Do I need to push you up out the way? Come on, I can clearly see you're lined up here. So what is the deal? Alright, I'm going to try switching them out. This clearly does not want to go on this side. It's going to bug me if the DOT printing is going to end up being upside down. See, this one doesn't have the DOT, but it's clearly labeled left side. And if I compare these, and they look the same, this really should fit. These the actual housing part's a little bit thicker than before, but that shouldn't be enough to stop it. But I'm still going to try the other side, just see if it goes in easier. That's exactly what it is. Wow. So the left side and the right side are printed wrong. So now that's right, DOT SAE on the wrong side. Seriously? Let's go get the other side in. I am disappointed. Put these in the ones I don't think they go in, which means it should be the right ones. Test it out. Really, 50-50 shot and I still managed to get it wrong. Make sure that works. Good on the driver's side. Good on the passenger side, even though DOT SAE is upside down. God, that frustrates me. Seriously, guys. Alright, let's clean up my old mess. I'll keep my old ones just in case I end up having any problems with these and need to switch them out. I really like the black there, though. I'm just super disappointed that those go in basically upside down. So we'll see how these end up holding up over time. Yeah. No more light. No more light. You're okay. I mean, I'll give it style points all day. I think it's going to look great. And I've got the Morimoto XVs that are on the way for up front. I think it's going to look fantastic with that, but fit and finish, I got to drop marks off. I can't even. I can't even. So there you go. If you run into problems installing yours, maybe they've made them wrong. Something to keep in mind. I'm going to gather up my garbage and get out of here before the rain gets in. As always, I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, go ahead and, maybe give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Let me know what I can do to improve. I mean, the whole point of doing these is to help y'all out. So, if I'm not doing that, then help guide me, please. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching.